Good, I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Weblium website builder tutorial. Weblium is a platform that will allow you to create a stunning website in no time, and you can use it to create various websites. For example, if you're a small business owner, you can use this platform. You can also use it to create an e-commerce store, for blogging, restaurants, and so much more. To get started is completely free and it is very easy to use, as all you'll need to do is type in a few prompts and you can use their AI platform, and you can also drag and drop the different elements as you can see right here. To get started, we are going to tap on create a website for free. After you have tapped on create a website for free, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you can either choose to sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook or any other email address. We're going to be using Google for this example. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. Have you created sites before? I'm going to be saying no, then tap on next. Then you can select whether you're a freelancer, a representative of an agency, a business owner, or a marketer. You can select whichever one of these options. I'm going to be selecting I'm creating my personal website, so I'll be creating a portfolio for this example. Then we'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. And you can see the different categories from the left-hand menu option. So if we wanted to create a sport or lifestyle website, we could tap on that. And you can see the different categories, whether you're a personal trainer, a life coach, or so on. If you wanted to use it to create an online store, you could tap on store and you can see the different templates that you can choose from right there. There are numerous categories and numerous themes that you can choose from. And if you would like to use their blank theme, you can tap on blank website. But if you're just getting started, I recommend that you use one of the pre-made templates. So we're going to be selecting portfolio and CV. After you have done that, all you need to do is scroll down till you have found one of your liking. Let's say this one. Then we'll tap on start editing. After you have tapped on start editing, you're going to give it a few seconds while the theme is loading up. Once it has loaded up, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to start adding your own personal touches. So you can see right here, you'll need to close the pop-up boxes. After you have closed the pop-up boxes, it is quite easy to edit. If you would like to change, for example, this section, you can simply hover over it and you can tap right where you would like to change. After you have done that, from there you can tap on the settings cog right here, logo settings, and then from there you could upload your own logo by tapping on upload. You could also tap on text, and if it is a case that you would like to change the text, you could do that. You can change the image, so you can see right there you have more than one option. You can also tap on behavior, so if you like when someone taps on it, they are redirected to a new page or so on. You can set that up also by pasting in the page link. You can go across and you can edit the other sections, so I could tap right here and I could replace this email address with my own. I could also replace the phone number, and if I would like to use their AI to assist me with adding something there, I could do that. Another thing that you can also do by going to this section, you'll be able to edit the menu section by tapping on the settings cog. From there, if it is a case that you would like to remove a section, you can tap on the three dots, you could delete it. You can also create a subheading if you want, and you can add more items to the menu section. It is quite easy to edit. To add your social media links, you will simply tap on the settings cog. From here, you can paste in your social media links real quick. Once you're finished editing that section, if you like to add another section below the header section, you could tap on add block. Then you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can choose either a blank section, you can choose a header, you can choose first screen. You have numerous options, and if in the future you change your mind and you would like to add a store, you could tap on store right here, and then you'll be able to add your products and so on. If it is a case that you would like to sell services, you could tap on services and products. You can also add call to action. You can add numerous features. You can add your FAQ. You can add a countdown. Anything at all that you would like to add, you'll find it right here in Add Block. It is quite easy to use. And by scrolling down, we can change the image if we want. And we can change everything. All you'll need to do, if you would like to change the image, you can simply tap on the settings right here. Then tap on background. Then from here, we could tap on upload and we could upload our own image. So you could change the image section if you want. You can also change the contact button. Any part that you would like to edit, you can quickly do that. And by scrolling down, you can see the different sections and you can tap on any section you like to edit. Then tap on the settings cog. And from there, you can edit it. Another feature that I should also show you is you can also edit it for mobile. So you could tap right there and see how it looks. Then from here, you could tap on the settings cog. And you can see right there mobile, you can change the appearance for mobile. So you could change the appearance for mobile compared to how it looks on the computer, as you can see right here. So you can customize it specifically for a phone. So that is a standout feature that I definitely recommend that you explore. You can also go over to the top left hand corner. By tapping here right where you see architect, you can add new pages. Again, you could tap on add new page. You could also add pop-ups by tapping on pop-ups. You could tap on add a pop-up. And from here, you could choose the pop-up that you would like to add. So for example, if you like to add a call to action pop-up, you could select that right there and you could add your pop-up. You can also add a store. As I told you earlier, you could set up your store real quick. And if we were to tap on this section where you see navigator, from here you'll see your header, your cover, and all of the different sections. So you can tap on the different sections real quick, and from there you can quickly edit them. So again, all you'll need to do is tap on the settings cog, and from there you could edit it. You could also tap on add an element, and you could choose an element to add. You can see the various elements that you can quickly add, as you can see right there. So for example, if you wanted to add a map, you could do that. If you wanted to add testimonials or so on, you can also do that. It is quite easy to do. You can add elements to any section by simply hovering over the section, then tapping on the blue plus to add an element. It is quite easy to edit. And if we were to tap right here where you see site styles in the top left hand corner, from here you can change the color scheme. So if we were to change it to this color scheme, you can see that the text color and so on change. If I were to change it to this one, you can see right there. So you can choose the different color schemes and so on. You can also tap on site settings. From here, you can tap on general info. After tapping on general info, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to edit your site address. You can also add a Firecon if you want, and you can also scroll down, and if you were to upgrade, you can set up your search visibility and so on. You can see your website details. You can quickly edit it right there. You can also add your business information. And another thing that I should also tell you is you can use Weblium CRM if you want. So you could tap on CRM. You can also add a cookie banner by tapping on cookie banner. You could enable that. You can also view their analytics. So you can connect Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Hotjar, so you'll be able to view where persons are exploring mostly on your website by tracking their mouse. You can also add custom domains if you want. If you would like to create a multi-language site, you can also do that using this platform. So you can see that there are numerous features that you can explore using Weblium. I would definitely recommend it as one of the best website builders around. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do is tap on publish and your website will be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you would like me to go more in depth in any particular section, please let me know in the comment section.